another really popular spot, which is the LX Factory. So it actually used to be an old warehouse, and they remodeled it and made it into like a bunch of restaurants and bars, so it should be pretty cool.
Wow. Are you home?
Yeah, but none of it's in English.
Probably way up there, up top.
I always think it's funny to see the books that they have in America, but the titles are all in different languages. I can't read this.
She can't read the show. Hey, honey, hold on. So where are we?
We're at a cute little restaurant that has like tapas and wine. So I'm just gonna get a snack.
Just a starter before we actually get a meal.
Yeah, we're gonna get you some food at the restaurant that you've been wanting to go to.
Maybe.
Hopefully we can get in.
Maybe. Maybe.
Yours looks really good too.
That's massive.
It's ginormous. The size of my head.
There's your water, honey. You want to do that first?
Oh yeah. So thirsty.
Obrigado.
Pounding this.
Okay, we're doing something wrong because that is delicious. Yeah.
This is a pepper. We don't do all that.
Is this hot?
Yes. This singed my hair. Let's try it.
Oh, look at it. Oh, sorry, I'm getting distracted.
It's good. Bye-bye. We made it to Ramiro. We're just waiting. They let you have drinks in a little area, and then we got like 9 people in front of us.
Yeah. That's the board.
We made it in with only like a 20-minute wait. Not bad. Got it.
It's happening. We're so excited. This is going to be amazing. It's going to be amazing.
What's with the crab? So is it to crack the crab? Taste the smaller things, like how the crab is. Oh, that looks good.
Legit.
That looks good. Excellent.
Oh man. Oh boy.
Beautiful.
Oh man. Good?
That's huge.
Now that's beautiful.
Go. I do it harder than that.
There.
Okay, so we just got back a little bit ago and got ready because we left Ramiro, which was super good. and we're pretty full, so we're gonna go wander the streets of Alfama for the last day of the festival. But if you guys get a chance to check out that restaurant, I highly, highly suggest it. And if there's 2 of you, they don't let you make a reservation for just 2 people. So I recommend just like showing up around lunchtime. I don't know if I would risk dinner time just because even for lunch it was super busy. We got lucky to be able to get in, but that food was so, so good. So I'm really glad that we did that.